Hey everyone, welcome to the second part of my tutorial on how to solve Skewb. In this step, we'll get from here, the Petrus block, to include 2 more corners of the top layer, while preserving the left center. On an actual Skewb, the welder's mask looks kind of like this, where I have my Petrus block on the top left here, and I have the 2 corners that belong in these places here. One of the cool things about Skewb is that these 2 pieces are not interchangeable. Additionally, by turning only F and R while keeping the Petrus block on the top left will not disturb this block in any fashion. As an added bonus, all of the bottom layer corners will become permuted. Well, how do we go about solving this welder's mask? Well, the first step is to get the 2 corners that belong up here into their positions. In this case, we have one that's already in place, and we have one that's down here that's not in place. The way to get this one into place is by simply doing an R move, as you could probably guess. Now this corner can be in either of 3 different positions. Right here, or right here. And this corner can be in either of 3 positions as well. Here, here, or here. Getting these 2 pieces up here should only take at most 2 moves. And it's not very difficult to find out which 2 moves you're supposed to be doing. After the 2 corners you want are up in their positions, then you'll need to perform certain 4-move algorithms in order to get these oriented. In this case, we have one corner that needs to be twisted anti-clockwise. This corner is the front corner, so the algorithm that we're going to perform is R, F, R prime, F prime. In this case, the front one needs to be twisted clockwise, so we do the inverse. F, R, F prime, R prime. Now if the corner in the back needs to be twisted anti-clockwise, you do R prime, F prime, R, F. And to twist the one in the back clockwise, you do F prime, F, R. As you can see, it's relatively simple, and each of those 4 algorithms preserves the other corner that's up in the top layer. From here, all you can really do is practice. The welder's mask can be solved in at most 6 moves using only the F and R faces. Now I'll show you some examples on how I would solve the welder's mask given the already formed Petrus block. Alright, so here we go. Now a beginner solution would look sort of like this. Well, I see this corner back here, and this corner needs to go right here. And this corner is already in place, but it needs to be twisted anti-clockwise. So what I'll do is I'll do the R prime to get this in place. And I see this is oriented, so I'll just orient this one. R, F, R prime, F prime. Now for this case, I have this corner in the back that's in place correctly, and this corner down here, which needs to be moved into position with an F prime. So I'll do the F prime first. Now orient this corner, R, F, R prime, F prime. And then this corner, R prime, F prime, R, F. That's all I really have to say for this part of the tutorial. Stay tuned to next week's video entitled Last 3 or 4 Centers, in which we'll solve the last 3 or 4 centers. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Facebook, Speed Solving, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.